Hello everyone, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Photoshop. Let's get started. So, those are my two images. This is the first one and this is the second one. I cropped the balloon and I want to place it in my composition. First, let's make this a little bit smaller. For that you need to press CTRL plus T to transform, and holding Shift plus Alt and dragging from a corner you can change the size with keeping the ratio. I'll place the balloon over here and click enter. Now you have a lot of ways to blend an image into another composition, and for this particular situation I will use a color filter to match the color temperature of this image, the curves to match the contrast and the brightness of this image, and the blur to match the focal length, where is in focus and where is out of focus. First, I will make a group with this balloon. For that you need to have selected the balloon layer and press CTRL plus G to create a group. Now click the balloon layer and click on this icon over here to add a solid color. As you can see from my image, in this area the blue color is more dominant, so that means it's more cold. I will choose a blue color close to my composition and click OK. Now I need to apply this color only to my balloon. For this you press and hold Alt and then go between the layers when the icon changes and click. Now I have a color only on the balloon. Now we need to change the blending mode from normal to overlay. You can also choose the multiply if you like, or the color, and decrease the fill, or choose directly the overlay like this. You can play with the fill. Don't need this effect to be too strong, but also not too weak. I will choose around 75. Now the second step is to choose the curves. You will go again on this icon and choose curves. Apply the curves again to the balloon by pressing and holding Alt, and go between those two layers. And now we can play with the curves, and the changes will apply only to the balloon. You need to remember two points on this line. The first one is over here at this intersection, and the second one is here. If you drag this dot lower, you will increase the contrast, okay? And if you go up, you will decrease. And the second dot will increase the brightness. My composition looks like this, and now we are good. Let's see what we have until now. I think it's a solid correction. And the final retouch for this balloon will be the blur, because our focus area is over here, where is the van, and the background is more blurred but not too soft. We need to apply the same amount of blur to our balloon. For that I will select the balloon layer, go to filter, choose blur and choose Gaussian blur. you can go not too much with the intensity. The right amount, it's about 1.5 for our composition, and click OK. Now I think it's perfect. Actually, I think it's too strong. Let's go with 0.7. Better. Now, because we have water in our composition, the balloon should have a reflection. So let's add the balloon in the reflection. I want the reflection of the balloon to be over here. So let's first make a copy of our balloon. Select the folder, the group, and make a copy with CTRL+J, and press CTRL+T to transform it. Right click on your balloon and flip vertically. This will create a mirror image, and now we can position it on the surface of the water. I want the reflection to be over here, so I need to lower the first balloon like this, because our surface is over here. It should be in the middle of our two balloons, like this. And it looks fine. And that's how you blend two images in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you, and let me know what do you want to learn next in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Robert Neacsu, ja!